it's Rachel, and today I saw this photo of Bella Hadid on the internet, and she is really coming in strong with those skinny brows. I asked you in my video last week if you thought that skinny brows would be back, and y'all voted no. But I'm gonna try and make this happen. Bella Hadid is killing this look, so I'm gonna recreate this whole makeup look. Let's get started. Foundation today, I'm gonna do Dior Backstage because it is a Backstage model-esque style foundation. Then with a fluffy flat top brush. And then I'm shopping my stash a little bit, and I found this Bobbi brown concealer. It is the dark peach corrector. So I might try that under the eyes for that really like perfected model look. Okay, I like that. I might have to start using that again. Next, let's powder the face. Gonna use my trusty Laura Mercier translucent powder. Then my butter bronzer in deep. With the same bronzer, I'm just sculpting out the nose a little bit because we are not Bella Hadid. If you guys want to see like a proper transformation video, I will leave a video linked somewhere. It turned out really, really well. We did like quite a lot of contouring and really tried to make myself look like her. Today is just going to be a makeup look inspired by her, but yeah, that was a fun video to watch. If you guys are interested and bored at home, definitely go check it out. Look what I found in my stash. So this was an old favorite of mine. Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Look at that. I'm gonna go in with maybe this tone here, very close to the lash line, just on the lid. And then slowly blending that up the lids. Then with a fluffier brush, I'm picking up the shade Puree, popping that nice and lightly through the crease and blending all the way out. Gonna take that same color under the eye. And for a bit of dimension in the center of the eye, I'm taking a Nectar on a finger. Then just buffing that out with my fluffy brush. Eyeliner, I'm gonna use a MAC pencil. This is the Graphblack Technakohl liner. I'm gonna run that from the outer part of the eye all the way in to the center. And winging slightly. This is kind of like a model off-duty look. It's not a very like sharp eyeliner look, so I'm not too fussy with this. And then it looks like she connected it to the lower lash line, just on the very outer V. I'm just gonna take a flat shader brush and buff that out a little bit, just to soften the look. And then if there's any product left on the brush, I'm gonna just gently drag that in almost to the center of the eye, just to very softly line the rest of the eye. I'm taking my Giorgio Armani concealer and I'm going to use a very small sponge and really brighten up this under eye area. Definitely done this step out of order, but I just suddenly thought it would be nice to really lift the eye. When you have a really bright base under there, it does give you more of a lifted look. And Bella Hadid has that very like lifted, kind of upward pointing eye shape. So this will help kind of mimic that look that she has. All right, I guess it's time for my favorite part. It is the false eyelashes. And if you've been on my channel for a long time, you know I really struggle with lashes. I think that's a task that we should learn together during this self-isolation period, is how to put lashes on, because I know a lot of you guys struggle too. These are really pretty though. These are by Taimana Boutique, I hope I'm saying that right, and the lash name is Awhina? May have put too much glue. We'll see. All right, here goes nothing. Fake lashes are wild, huh? Really just walking around with impaired vision. All right, they're on, and I think I did a decent job. I just went over the liner with the black kohl liner again to disguise any mistakes that I made. And then I think I want to tackle the brows now and then go back and finish the rest of the complexion. Bella's brows are super skinny and I had my brows laminated, so they look extra fluffy, but I feel like if I just brush them all down and across, I might be able to fake a skinnier shape. Oh my god, that looks so weird already. Okay, I'm gonna use my Napoleon pencil in Chocoholic. It's got a really fine tip. She's left kind of the inner part of the eyebrow quite sparse. I think I'm gonna start on the tail end. Probably should have tweezed before I did this, but that's okay. I'm gonna work toward the front of the brow. Wait, let me brush these back so you can see what my brow style would be normally. Which one do you guys prefer? I'm low-key living for the skinny brow. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna come back. I don't know, I think it really complements my face. All right, I fiddled around a little bit. I think this is as skinny as I'm gonna get them without committing to tweezing my brows, which I'm not gonna do. So I'm using the Wonder Brow by Napoleon as well. And it's a lighter color brow tint to my natural brow hairs. Just gonna pop them through the front of the brows, just to mute those hairs a little bit more. And then I'm going in with Luminoso by Milani. It's a pretty peachy blush. She's got this super like bronzy nose with a little bit of a flush. So I'm just trying to recreate that kind of vibe. Then with a really small brush, I'm gonna create some freckles. So I'm just gonna go into some random brown colors. Nothing too crazy. She just has a really cute like freckly nose. All right, let me give this a quick spray and then we'll do mascara and lippy. Mascara, I'm using Perdis Extatic. Finally, for lips, I've got the YSL lip styler in the red color. She has a really vibrant red, really glossy lip. So I'm gonna go over the top with a Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. This is in the shade Studio 64. Alright guys, that is it. This is a final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this Bella Hadid inspired tutorial. Do let me know what you want to see next, and if you want to hang out every day, I post on Instagram every single day, and if not, I will see you guys on my next videos. Stay home, stay safe. I love you all so much. Mwah. Thank you.